Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is not to be confused with multi-level inheritance, because multiple inheritance is when a child class is having more than one parent. So you could say this is multiple inheritance. You have a child class that inherits a little bit from the mom and a little bit from the dad, you could say, from two parents. And multi-level inheritance is a child that inherits from another child class, and this child class inherits from this parent class. So it's like a grandpa, and then a parent, and then a child. So that's the difference between multiple and multi-level inheritance. So let's try an example. So we have class, and let's say pray, and we have a function called flee, and this is gonna print out this animal is fleeing. So we can have another class called predator, and we can define a function called hunt, and we can say print this animal is hunting. So these are going to be the parent classes, and let's have a couple child classes. So let's say we can have a rabbit, a hawk, and a fish. So here we have three classes: rabbit, hawk, and fish. Rabbits don't eat any other animals, so they are considered a prey. Hawks eat rabbits or rats or whatever, like small rodents, so they are considered predators, and no one really eats them, so they're predators. And then you have fish. Fish can be like a large fish, like kind of like a shark, you could say. That can be a predator, but it can also be a very small fish, and that's considered a prey. So as you can see right here, rabbit is the child class of prey, hawk is the child class of predator, and fish has two parent classes. It has prey and predator. This right here is the perfect example of multiple inheritance. So let's try them out. So let's make objects of each class. Now that we have an object of each class, let's try the functions for each one. So we have rabbit dot, as you can see, it has flee only, and if we run it, this animal is fleeing. And you can have hawk, and hawk only has one method. This animal is hunting, because as you can see, hawk, there's nothing here, and it inherits from predator. And if you go to predator, there's only one method, which is this. Same thing for prey, there's only one method, which is this. And if we move on, fish dot, as you can see, fish, it inherits from two, like I said, predator or prey, so it has both functions. So you can say fish.flee, or you can say fish.hunt, and both will work. Let me just cancel these out for like example purposes. And as you can see, when we call the fish.flee or fish.hunt, they both work interchangeably. And that's basically it for multiple inheritance in Python. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, the full code will be posted in the comments down below.